Most PLCs provide a built-in clock pulse. This is a signal that gets sent at regular intervals, for example, every millisecond or every second. You can use this clock pulse to increment the counter. Think of the time delay you want in terms of pulses. For example, if your PLC clock pulse is set to 1 second and you want a 5-second delay or suppose a 10-second delay, you would set your counter to count to 10. Once the counter reaches 10, you know that 10 seconds have passed. Set up the counter in your PLC program to increment each time the clock pulse occurs. When the counter reaches the value corresponding to your desired time, for example, 5 or 10 seconds, it will trigger the desired action just like a timer would. This way you use only one counter, but have many timers at different intervals. When the counter reaches the preset value, you can use the counter's output to activate or deactivate certain processes, much like how a timer's done bit works. Let's say you want to turn on a motor 5 seconds after a start signal is given. Here's how you would use a PLC counter for this. Define a counter first, use the clock pulse, set the start condition, and reset the counter. This is a simple method of using a PLC counter as a timer, leveraging the periodic clock pulse to count time in seconds, minutes, or even milliseconds, depending on your requirements. With a little creativity, PLC counters become more versatile and can perform many tasks typically handled by timers.